How to edit images without any knowledge for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit images like a pro without any prior knowledge, and the best part? It's absolutely free using Snapseed. Let's dive in. To get started, download Snapseed from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's completely free. Once you've installed it, open the app and you'll see a simple interface. Let's take a look at how to edit an image step by step. To import an image, tap the plus icon or open button. Choose a photo from your gallery. Now let's get into the editing. Tap on Tools and select Tune Image. Here you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Just slide your finger left or right to see changes in real time. Next, let's crop your image. Tap on Tools again and select Crop. You can choose different aspect ratios or manually adjust to your liking. Feeling a bit adventurous? Let's explore some advanced edits. Go to Tools and select Looks. Here you'll find various filters. Just tap on one to see how it transforms your image. For more control, use the Selective tool. This lets you adjust specific areas of your photo. Just tap the area you want to change and tweak brightness or contrast. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save. Tap the export icon and choose Save a Copy or Export to share directly to your social media. Here are a few quick tips. Experiment with different filters to find your style. Don't be afraid to undo any changes you don't like. Use the before and after toggle to see your progress. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit images using Snapseed without any prior knowledge. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and happy editing.